Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. Wanted to give you a little tip when it comes to installing your winch on your all-new KRX 1000. When you are ready to run your cables from your winch back to the battery, did you guys know that right back here, you pull this little cap out right here, and there's a tube. See that tube? That tube right there is designed for your wires. You can actually shove your wires in there, and where do they come out? Right where you need them. Batteries under the driver's seat, as you guys know. That tube that was up front comes out right here, right where you need it. So running your winch cables and everything back here is going to be a breeze. We'll give you an update on that, but I just wanted to show you guys and point out that that is already there for your pleasure. There is another cap on this end as well. I've already removed that. Getting ready to fish the wires back where they need to go. Props to Big Pine Sports for allowing us to do these videos, and a huge props to Kawasaki for thinking things through when it comes to installing all the accessories. If you guys would like more information, check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. Give us a call, 435-427-3338. Have a great day, everybody.